Let's start with the chord shapes. So your C sharp minor is the first chord, and that is where your first finger is on the 4th fret of the A, your second finger is on the 5th fret of the B, your pinky finger is on the 6th fret of the G, and your ring finger is on the 6th fret of the D, and you're going to strum the middle 4. Now, if an advanced way to be able to play all the strings is if you take your first finger and you touch the side of the E string, and then you can mute the E string by just leaning on it. Now you can also bar the E string. So I'm using this part of my finger to play the high string. Some folks, me included, feel like it's okay to play the big string as well. So then the next chord is an A chord, A major chord. So you're going to take 3 fingers or just 1 finger, and you're going to play the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret. So you can either play it like this with the ring here, the middle, and the index finger here, or you can just bar it with your first finger on the same 3 strings, and you're playing 5 or 6. Preferably 5, because that's where the A starts. And then for the B chord, we're just going to do the ring finger on the D, G, and B on the 4th fret, and just strumming 3 strings. And then for the bang 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 part, you have some power chords, which is just 3 string chords. So your first finger is going to go on the 1st fret of the A string. Your first finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and then your ring and pinky fingers go on the 6th fret of the D and G strings. So those 2 are there, and this first one is there. And then you're going to play that, move it up 2 frets to 6, 8, and 8, and then 7, 9, 9. Bang, bang, bang. For the strumming part of this, we are doing a chuck on the down, and I'm muting my left hand by not pushing down. So you're going, that's how you're strumming that. And then an up strum. And there's 8 of those on the C sharp. Now when you go to the A chord, you're going to have to make the chuck happen with your right hand, which means you're going to have to stop it with your palm and hit some strings at the same time with the pick. So and when you get to the bottom of the strings, you're strumming up afterwards. So, and then the same thing is happening with the B chord, but you're only going to strum up on 3 strings. So, and each one of those chords only happens 2 times. So if we let's put all that together. So you have 8 chuck ups on the C sharp minor, 2 chuck ups on the B, and 2 chuck ups on the A, and 2 chuck ups on the B. And then you're going to play a down strum on the C sharp minor again. And then you have the bang 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 part, which is going to be the C sharp 5, and the D sharp 5, and the E 5, which is the 4 6 6, 6 8 8, and 7 9 9 power chords. So let's hear all that together. One more time, this time slow. 1, 2, ready, go.